The University of Nottingham Postgraduate Certificate in Education International Distance Learning Program. Why choose this program? This is an internationally recognized 12-month part-time program aimed at professional educators working in countries other than the UK, who wishes to improve their teaching practice through critical reflection and research. The PGCEi at the University of Nottingham is one of the leading courses of its type. It is a Level 7 qualification on the UK National Qualifications Framework, and it carries 60 credit accumulation and transfer scheme points. You may choose to put your 60 master's level credits towards a master's in education. The program is ideally suited for established educators who hold at least a second-class honours degree, or an approved professional qualification deemed equivalent to an honours degree. Applicants must also have day-to-day access to a computer and the internet, and regular connections to an educational context including online learning. Why choose the University of Nottingham? The University of Nottingham has been awarded Gold in the Teaching Excellence Framework. The university ranked in the top 70 in the world for employability by the Postgraduate Employability Rankings, and also ranked in the top 20 in the UK by the Times Higher Education and QS World University Rankings. The university has also been listed as the second most targeted university in the UK by leading employers, as reported by the Graduate Market 2022. The program aims to improve teaching by understanding your own education system from an international perspective, promoting a deeper understanding of a range of teaching strategies, developing expertise in practitioner research, making appropriate use of professional and research literature. Please note that the PGCEi is an academic qualification, not a teaching qualification, and does not offer QTS or a license to teach in the UK or elsewhere. Course features: blended learning approach. The course comprises of face-to-face teaching, conducted by University of Nottingham tutors, and is combined with distance learning. Dedicated virtual learning environment. This includes online course materials, learning resources, and tutorial support. No exams. Modules are assessed through assignments. This program has more than 5,000 alumni located worldwide, and 99% of alumni secured work after graduation. Places available for next intake. Explore your choices with a higher education consultant. Contact us at staffordglobal.org.